Thin hair with no volume? Here's how to make it look fuller, stronger, and more resilient with EKSPERIENCE Densi Pro. Start with the EKSPERIENCE Densi Pro Densifying Hair Cleanser that gently purifies the scalp while adding body and volume to thinning hair. Follow with the EKSPERIENCE Densi Pro SOS Densifying Lotion to help strengthen the hair and support visible density from the roots. Finish with the EKSPERIENCE Densi Pro Densifying Spray that enhances fullness, body, and thickness without weighing the hair down. The result? Fuller looking, stronger, visibly denser hair. EKSPERIENCE Densi Pro. See, science, senses.